I think I want to try that.
No, I ain't trying that one. Get some more.
I'll get a picture right off on here. That was actually probably better than the other one. I'll say here, I'll go through it. Just pull forward a little bit. There you go. Nothing but buddy.
Awesome. Oh, he's just diving right in, man. There you go.
Just like butter. Just like butter. Is he gonna go through?
Oh, all right, pull him up. Yeah, America.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Go back, you gotta go to this side a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Now turn that way. There you go. Oh, turn this way. Alright, come straight. You got it. Right up that fucker.
Yeah.
Hope you packed the lunch, but that was only a light snap.
Don't come this. Okay, go slow.
You're gonna drop down on your right.
Hey, you got your 4-wheel drive on? Yeah. Okay. Don't come straight.
There you go.
Slow. Go slow. Go that way a little bit. Keep going. Okay, now come straight. Get him out of that one. Alright, keep coming. Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh. Hell yeah.
There you go.
Oh, put your lockers on, man. Back up just a little bit and get yourself a
Little running room. There you go.
there you go.
Perfect.
Hell yeah!
Good job. Nothing but butter.
Nice.
Here.
Take it, then you can get your.
There you go. Perfect. Gonna hit the right line.
Yep.
Just keep going, Tony.
Hey!
See, now you ready to try it again? Oh. Go slow right here.
Yeah, you're good. You got plenty of room.
You're good.